over here in St. Louis, Missouri at a 70-plex that Claudia and I have owned since 2017, and it has unfortunately had a fire that's taken out 10 units. Thank goodness nobody was hurt, but I'm here to inspect the property. It had asbestos when they did asbestos testing, so they have remediated every single bit of the drywall. First time here, let's take a look and see what it looks like. So this is the building here. Let's go ahead and take a look inside and down to the studs. No cabinets, no porcelain. This apartment right there was the source. They told me that the roof is going to have to be redone. I'm here to meet the general contractor. I'm here to meet the insurance adjuster. We're going to finalize details, get the contract, award it to them. And this is real world stuff, guys. Thank goodness nobody was hurt, but this happens all the time in apartment complexes. You got to be prepared for this, and you got to have the right insurance. Generally, you're going to get 1 year of loss of income. So time is of the essence to get this completed, to get this fixed. And then number two, you always want to make sure, even if the bank doesn't require it, if you're with Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae, they're going to require that you have law and ordinance. And that just makes sure that if this building was built in 1980s and it does not need sprinklers in 1980s, but it needs sprinklers in 2023, if you don't have law and ordinance, you'll be paying that extra $20 or $30 or $40,000 out of pocket for those sprinklers. Just a fun factoid, you want to be prepared for that and make sure that you have the proper insurance.